Howdy, welcome to our unboxing video for Printing Center USA. That being said, we have this lovely behemoth in the room, it's the elephant in the room. That being said, we take out a really good knife for these kinds of unboxing videos, but just to understand the scope, we order a lot from this company, and as you can see, it even comes with this beautiful stamp here, just to show you, this is really good quality you're getting. More importantly, as you can see, it's not our first time, and we do this very often. And they also come in protective packaging, which makes the experience of actually getting these a lot better. Not only that, seeing how thick they are, they actually come opposite directions, just so you can count them easily for each package you get. It makes distributing them amongst offices or clients you have a lot easier. Without further ado, with this box, there's tape all around just to make sure it's not coming loose. As well, whenever we order from here, one of our favorite aspects is actually inputting the design online. It makes sure that the design you're inputting is going to be of a good quality. It makes sure that the pictures within the design are compressed to a satisfactory result. That way, whenever you do get your design or your document, you get it the way you want it to be. In fact, sometimes you might even get it better than you expected. And that's why we continue shopping with Printing Center USA. But the bottom line, especially as a company, is cost efficiency. And we're happy to say that with Printing Center USA, we've never had a problem when it comes to cost. And without further ado, you can see the interior of the box here. We come in protective packaging. And we have another one right here. We get a beautiful thank you. We also get some instructions on how best to display this. We also have our protective coating. And on top of that is when we finally get into the meat and potatoes of our request. Right here. This is what we ordered. And we love every single piece of it. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you an example here of an already open package, which is this one here, and they can come in all shapes and sizes depending on however you want it. But when you open it, everything is exactly as you want it to be. They can print very small pictures to be in high quality as well. And honestly, what's not to love? But other than that, we were glad to have you here for this unboxing video, and take care.